My dear student, welcome to all in this live class. Now we will also discuss about the disaster management, because in your syllabus also given disaster management is the other parts from the geography, and under the disaster management the chapter is 11, and heading of this chapter is the natural disaster and the disaster management. Part 1. I have also divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2. Now we will also discuss firstly about the disaster. What is the disaster? Disaster means any event who occur naturally or by human made or the human activity, loss of life and the property in the lot of the peoples also lost, life of and the properties also lost, damage in the large scale, and that means all activities also affected on the local or the large areas known as the disaster. So under the disaster there are two types of the disaster: natural disaster and the human made disaster. First is natural disaster and another is human made disaster. So there are two types of the disaster. Natural disaster means which types of the occur event and any types of the accident who naturally occur in the natures due to the heat, pressures, energies, release of the energies from the interior parts of the earth, and so many effect and occur in the naturally known as the natural disaster. And under the natural disaster we will also discuss about the earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, cyclones, floods and the droughts. These are the major disasters. So, and under the this disaster, it is also occur naturally. Therefore, it is also known as these are known as the natural disaster. So, natural disaster. What are the effects by the natural disasters? So there are so many effects affected in the natures by the natural disaster. First is loss of life, damage to the properties, a destructive of the building, constructions, industries, damage to the roads, railways, airways, communication systems. That means all types of the affected also seen, and injuries also created due to the natural disaster. So these are the so many factors and polluted to the atmosphere, and environmental unbalance also create due to the disasters. So these are the effect by the natural disaster. Now we will also discuss about the earthquakes. You know, earthquakes means earth suddenly tremor or shaking due to the plate tectonic movement in the interior parts of the earth, increase the heat and energies in the interior parts of the earth, and create the volcanic vent due to the tremor of the earth, and suddenly enter water on the molten magma or material who found in the interior parts of the earth, suddenly blast and come out hot material, ash and lavas, etc. through the vent and the cracks, create the affected to the earth crust. These are the affections known as the earthquakes. So, what is the earthquake? Earthquake means suddenly tremor or the shaking of the earth crust due to the plate tectonic movement in the interior parts of the earth and loss of life, properties and the damage to the all activities on the surface known as the earthquakes. Earthquake create from the, you have also studied in the class 7 about the focus. Earth, suppose that this is the construction of the earth, and from the center, when increase of the energies, pressures and collapse or the collides two or more plates each others due to the plate movements, then create the pressure on the crust and start the shaking of the earth. Suppose that this shaking also start from the center, therefore it is also known as the focus. And in the first times, when affected or the pressurized to the crust, damage to the crust, then earth layers who firstly affected and form a upper center known as the epicenter. And then vibration also create, and that vibration also extends from the center towards the surrounding. So these types of the vibration of the in the earth known as the seismic waves. There are three types of the seismic waves: P waves, S waves, and L waves. P waves is known as the primary waves, S wave known as the secondary waves, and L waves means lower waves or the level waves also given about these waves. And these types of the waves, it is also create just like a vibration, and these vibration are the waves affected and the damage to the earth's surface, broken downs, and different types of the cracks, fissures, vent also form or the create. So these types of the situation or the process known as the earthquake process. And the measurement of these waves by through a graph known as the seismic graph, and a scale who use for the measurement of the seismic waves known as the Richter scale. Richter scale, because by the Richter scientist given and measure these types of the instrument or the scale known as the Richter scale. So, with the help of Richter scale, measure of the earthquakes or the earthquakes. So many causes. What are the causes of the earthquakes? And what are the effects? So there are so many causes of the earthquakes. First cause is the plate tectonic movement. Plate movement. Another is the volcanic eruptions. Volcanic eruptions. Third is landslides. Increase of the heat and energies. Increase heat and energies or the pressure. So these are the so many causes of the earthquakes, and there are so many effects of the earthquakes. That means which types of the effect of the disaster. So those types of the effect of the earthquakes. By the earthquake, there are so many damage of the earth surface, broken down of the earth surface, destroyed of the high buildings falling down, industrial sectors, and communication systems, line systems, road construction also broken down, railways also affected, and transportation facility also has been fully closed. So these types of the situation are create known as the effect by the earthquakes. So now we will also learn about the preparedness and the cope. This portion is very important because preparedness means which types of the management you have also done before the disasters known as the preparedness, and which types of the management during the disasters and after the disasters known as the aftermath cope or the aftermath disasters. So these are the so many process studied about these disasters and the earthquakes. You will also study and you will also learn about the under the preparedness. First is identify the suitable location for the new habitations or the settlements for a small area or the large areas. So that area who identified and locate and given different types of the facilities also for the peoples who easily survive life during the disaster events known as the first preparedness. Number two, preparedness. Under the preparedness, after the identified of the location, a facility provides torch, light, drinking of waters, foods, different types of the foods for the peoples who affected during the any disasters known as the preparedness. Next, avoid windows, doors, and switch off of the line or the powers. Turn and tape close of the waters, tape of the waters. So these are the preparedness before the disasters. Different types of the kits, that means bandage, different medicines, doctors, and NDRF team also prepared before the disasters. So these are the so many preparedness you can also prepare before the disasters. Don't use the elevators. As soon as you feel the first tremor, switch off. If you are the outdoor, then you cannot stay, or you are not staying under the tree poles near the walls, and go on the open fields and falling down, that means late on the first. So these types of the activities you can also create for the sake of life during the earthquake or the disasters. Always protect your head even when you are in the safe place. Keep the first aid kit also prepared. So these are the preparedness before the disasters. Now, cope. Cope means during the earthquakes or after the earthquakes or any types of the disasters, which types of the management you have also created or you have also done, known as the cope or the aftermath. For the example, suppose that during the earthquakes, so many buildings also broken down, falling down, and many persons, people has also killed, and several people injured, and some also under the mud, clay, silt, etc., who falling down upon the peoples or the properties. So how can you prepare and manage during the earthquakes and after the earthquakes? So first you can also use the rubbish or different materials, piece of rocks, boulders, etc., and clean through the JCB machines and the other machines used, and the pupils also who injured firstly require the first aid kits and reach to the hospital or on the doctors. So these are the preparedness or the management after the disaster you can also use. And some people who affected during the earthquakes and the other disasters, so first requirement is those pupils reached or the reaches on the certain place who identified and located before the disaster, and different types of the facility also provide themselves and by the government and non-government agencies and different officers. So you can also use different types of the preparedness or the management after the disasters. And cyclones also affected your life. Cyclones means fast movement of the air or the winds who continuous movings fastly from the outsides toward the center. When the center in the center form the low pressure belt and the other sides high pressure belt. Suppose that here is low pressure belt and in the other sides high pressure belt form, then air always blow from the high pressure to low pressure in the northern hemisphere. When the movement of the air from the high pressure to low pressure anti-clockwise, and it is also pressurized into the center and create heavy loss of life and property on the coastal region. It is also known as the cyclone. Direction of the cyclone in the northern hemisphere anti-clockwise, in the southern hemisphere clockwise. So these are the cyclones, and during the cyclones you are also himself protect your life and wear the goggles, masks, open the windows, and close the windows, because different airs or the cyclonic winds who entered in the house through the windows, then close the window or the doors. So you can also save up the life. And volcanic eruptions, floods and droughts, so many also disasters affected our life. Though you will also study it in the next class. Thank you.